This Locksmith's black bag. Try to get as many tools as you can in one bag. Multi-functioning tools. I'll pick this up and give you a quick run by. You can see the collapsible bump hammer in there. There's the keys, the various tools. The bump hammer comes apart. And you put it together. The screwdriver goes in there. And then on the end here, another screwdriver's inside. A Phillips head. And then there's a slot. Screwdriver inside that. Here's one of the bump keys. Works mighty fine. There's bump keys for just about everything. There's a slage. There's 3 different keys for slage. Just about all locks that are currently available have a key to it. And I have my warded pick keys, all different sizes of warded locks. Here's my multi-purpose tool. Has quite a few tools in it. There's a tension wrench, comes with it. There's a nice knife blade. There's a screwdriver. There's another small blade here. It's great for use as a drill or multi-purpose. You can use that. And then over here there's a screwdriver with a bottle opener. On this side is lock pick, short hook lock pick, or an offset diamond. And this is a saw, has a ruler on it. It could be used as scale fish or cut some wood or do something, make some modifications. Here's another Phillips head. Here's a can opener. This is a multi-purpose tool. Has an extension on it. These are the screwdrivers it has. The end one here goes in there, and the extension, and then there's a set. A lot of things you have to take apart. Comes in really handy. And there's a whole set of small screwdrivers. Wire cutters. Tweezers. Need to get a little part out or something. Tweezers. Bunch of tension bars. Bunch of picks. Here's auto jigglers. And I'll just lift this up to show you the different picks we got. All my favorite ones are on there. So that's my black bag. Peace. Don't break the lock.